Welcome back to Homebuyer University. Today we're going to be talking about everyone's least favorite thing, mortgage insurance. But everyone's favorite thing in regards to their least favorite thing, which is how to get rid of it. So what we're going to cover today is how to get rid of mortgage insurance if your loan is starting with it. There are two types of mortgages that typically come with mortgage insurance: conventional mortgages and FHA mortgages. Let's start with the easy one to get rid of, which is a conventional mortgage. Andrew, I know there's several ways to get rid of mortgage insurance. Can you tell us how we can get rid of it?
The first way to get rid of PMI off of your mortgage is to simply keep paying down your mortgage. Once you reach the 20% equity point in your mortgage, just give your lender a call and you can ask to have it removed. Now, if you forget to call your lender, the PMI is automatically going to be removed once you reach 22% equity.
Now, Andrew, say I don't want to wait that long because I didn't put that much down to begin with. Are there ways to get rid of it sooner instead of just paying that and waiting over time?
The second way is to simply keep an eye on the market value of your home. Once you've reached 20% equity from your house value increasing, the traditional thing to do here is to refinance your mortgage, put a new mortgage in place that has no PMI. But a secret way that most lenders might not tell you is that you can actually have your PMI requested to be removed once you hit that 20% equity point simply from your house going up in value.
Now, you don't need to refinance, and so you don't need to start your loan all over again. And this is why most lenders don't tell you about it, because they usually want to make money off refinancing you. But just be assured you don't have to do that. A simple call into your lender, letting them know that you now have 20% equity based on your home's market value, will allow you to request to have that mortgage insurance dropped off. They might request an appraisal to be done, but usually it's definitely worth it.
Now, FHA loans, they're going to be a little bit more tricky. Dom, give us some insight as to how we remove PMI on FHA loans.
The short of it is usually you can't. Typically, most FHA loans, if you have less than 10% down to start off with, will require mortgage insurance for the life of the loan, which means if you're starting with an FHA loan that had less than 10% down at its start, you're not going to be able to get rid of mortgage insurance until you have enough equity to refinance into a conventional mortgage. So the goal is, if you're starting off with an FHA loan with less than 10% down, is to have a plan to refinance into a conventional loan in the future. So definitely kind of set things up as a two-step process. However, if you have a loan that's an FHA loan with 10.1% down or more, weird number, that mortgage insurance will eventually go away. You just have to wait 10 years. So you probably also want to put a plan in place to refinance into a conventional loan, because who wants to wait 10 years if you don't have to?